Today in JJ Rosales News, we report on a high number of accidents due to strong winds in Morelia, Michoacán. After a series of strong winds have been recorded throughout the day in the capital of Michoacán, several trees, signs, billboards, and high-voltage cables have fallen in different parts of the city, causing emergency personnel to mobilize. Municipal firefighters have focused on responding to emergency calls due to fallen trees in the Ministry of Education, the Faculty of Medicine of the Universidad Michoacana, the market, Government House, among other places, caused by the cold front which has caused strong winds in different states of the Republic. However, these do not seem to be enough due to a high number of reports and accidents that have occurred so far.